Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will look at the CBP import feature. With this feature, you can import I-94 and travel history from the CBP website into the client profile in eIMMIGRATION. Previously, the feature was available if you had the e-filing desktop application. Cerenade has created a Google Chrome extension which now does the same thing, making it available on any device that has Google Chrome. Let us begin. The first thing we want to do is make sure you have a client profile for your client and have either an A number listed or a passport, as this will be used to do the CBP search. From inside the client profile, should you want to add an A number, locate the section in the client profile in the general info section and add the A number, and save it. If you want to add a passport, go to the document section of the client profile and select the passport subfolder. Proceed to enter the passport number and issuing country there. Once saved, the software will use either the A number or the passport to pull the information from the CBP website. Now that we have the client profile updated, the next thing we want to do is locate and add the Google Chrome extension. If you've downloaded the eFiler Chrome extension, it's very similar. Simply go to the Google Chrome store on your Chrome browser. Once at the Chrome store, search by typing eIMMIGRATION, and you will then see the eFiler and the CBP import extensions. Proceed with selecting the CBP import option and then select Add to Chrome. You have now added the Google Chrome extension. To launch it, go to your extensions on your web browser, which looks like a puzzle piece, and click on it, and proceed to launch the eIMMIGRATION CBP importer. You should now see a box open on the right, and the first thing asked is your website name. The website name can be found on the URL you log into. For example, on our testing site, we have www.eimmigration.com/Cerenade Law. We don't have to copy the whole thing, but the unique URL specific to your account, which in our instance is Cerenade Law. We will copy that and paste it onto the extension. Take some time right now to locate the unique URL for your account on your device. Copy the key website name, and paste it to where it says website name on the Google Chrome extension. You will then be asked to log into the extension. This would be the same login name and password you use to log into eIMMIGRATION. Proceed with logging in. You will then be asked to search for the client. You will proceed to enter their name until you find a match. Once found, select the name. You should now see details of this person such as name, birth date, the A number, and passport we made sure to add on the client profile earlier in this video. Proceed to highlight which item you wish to search on the CBP website, either by the A number or passport. Once that is highlighted, click on Next. You will then be asked if you want to search for most recent I-94 or travel history. Should you want to do both, you will do one right after the other. Let us first search for the most recent I-94 and click on it. Your web page should now take you into the CBP website, and a Populate button has appeared. The CBP website is asking you to input details of the client, but the Populate button on the right, on the extension, will proceed with adding that information for us. Let us click on Populate, and we'll see the page has been filled, and will now show the most recent I-94 on the client. On the right, we can click on Next. You should now see the I-94 listed with the I-94 number, status, if it's current, as well as arrival city, state, and other details that were listed in the CBP website. Once confirming the info, finalize by clicking Import, and the client profile will now have that I-94 information listed. Now, if you want to get the travel history as well, select the back option on the Chrome extension, and this time let's click on Travel History. Same as before, the webpage should open to the place you search for travel history, and the Populate button will appear. Click on it, and you will see all travel instances, both for departures and arrivals. On the Chrome extension, you will click on Next. You will see the departures and arrivals. You must now pair a departure with an arrival. Once you pair a departure with an arrival, you can then click on Add below, and move on to adding more pairs of departures and arrivals. Once you have all the travel history listed, you can select Import. You will see a confirmation box asking if you want to import the trips you've selected. Once clicking on Save, it will now show in the Abroad Trips area of the client's profile. This concludes our video on the CBP Import Google Chrome extension.